In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time tracking in Asana. We'll be focusing on Asana's native time tracking feature, which is available on Advanced, Enterprise, and Enterprise Plus plans. If you're on one of those plans, you can track how long work actually takes right inside your tasks without needing an external tool. This is really useful for understanding where your time goes, estimating future projects more accurately, and reporting on how your team is working. To get started, open Asana and go to the place where you want to track time. This can be either a specific project or your My Tasks view if you're tracking your own work across different projects. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace or team so the changes you make apply in the right place. Once you're in the right project or in My Tasks, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the Customize button. This is where you control which fields, rules, and other options are available in your project. Go ahead and click Customize. A panel will open on the right-hand side of the screen. Inside this panel, find the section labeled Fields. Fields are where you add extra information to your tasks, like priorities, statuses, or in this case, time tracking details. Click on Fields to expand that section if it isn't already open. Next, click the option that says Add. This is how you introduce new fields into your project or task view. A list of field types and recommended options will appear. From this list, look for the option called Time Your Work. This is Asana's built-in time tracking option. Select Time Your Work to add the relevant time tracking fields to your project or My Tasks. After you've done this, Asana will add a new field called Actual Time to your tasks. This is where the magic happens. Go back to your task list and click into any task. In the task details, find the actual time field that was just added. When you click on Actual Time, you'll see a Start Timer button. Clicking this will begin tracking time on that specific task. You can let the timer run while you work, then stop it when you're done or when you switch to something else. Asana will record that time for you, helping you build an accurate picture of how long your work actually takes.